Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is goodness, the goodness within inside of you. You have been doing so much character carving, and you brought out the best and higher self, that you actually, the best version of yourself. And I want to congratulate you. I want you to zone in on that and continue to be that. You shall be tested. You shall be tested to see if how your new attributes, your new attitudes, your new version or perspective of life truly works. So as we break through to this new season, get ready to be able to embrace the new. Leave the old you in the past, because it's not going to help you elevate to the new levels. We're on a new path. You're a new being, and you're much stronger, much wiser. And as on the inside, you become more beautiful and loving. Therefore, your outside shall transition to be that way. I overcome my imperfections and polish my character to feed on the positive. Thus, I free myself and allow goodness to manifest and become a source of joy. Through gentleness, I offer unconditional support, understanding, and love to myself and to others. When you see the child in every person, when you look into their eyes, that's the gateway to the soul, the eyes. You can see the child and innocent, even in the most rude and arrogant person. Then you can give them more grace and unconditional love, because like a child, we also all don't always know what we do. And we don't always understand the positions and the words that and the impact that we have on people's lives. Therefore, give them some grace. And once you see the child within everyone, life becomes much easier, because you become more understanding. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.